So over here on the left hand side, you can see that I got a lot of pages. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and move these pages to different places. So in that case, you can simply go ahead and click and drag the pages right here just like this. And you can go ahead and make it a sub page right here, as you can see. As I do that, you can see that now as I click on it, this is a sub page right here. You can also go ahead and click and drag the pages right here just like this, and this becomes a sub page right here just like this. Go ahead right here, this is the new page as you can see, and this is the sub page of it, and then you can see that this is a sub page of it as well. So this is what you have as you can see right here. So now you can see that this is what you have. You can also go ahead and move out the pages just by clicking and dragging it out right here. And you can go ahead and expand out the pages right here just like this as well. So you can see that as I go ahead and do that, you also have the option to go ahead and move this to, let's say for example, another page as well. Let's say for example, if I were to select private pages, then you can see that it goes inside of TutorTube right there. You can go around over here and then let's say for example, go to move to and then go to a meeting minute, and that is what you have right there. So that is how you can go ahead and move pages as you want inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.